Hello everybody. One of those videos, as I promised I'm gonna do, jumping into the video, recording, posting, not editing anything, just working on the structure of my separation seminars that are coming up, and creating more easy exercise for everyone that they can understand, but also reflecting on everything that has been happening in the weekend, everything that's happening in the house, with everyone, with every child, with their way of thinking, with what they're going through. And why I'm sharing this is because I think it's important that we share things from our life that are authentic, that we don't put any masks. And as I said to you, I'm going to do that from now on. When I remember, when I have the desire, and when I don't have the desire, because actually now I had zero desire to record a video. I'm sitting on my everyday life thing, very excited to keep structuring the separation workshops. Here we go. I have a lot of model that I work through, but I would like to make it very easy for everybody to understand, because I believe, and I was told, that my mind is very complex when I try to go and explain evolution of the soul and giving techniques for you guys to use. Apparently, I'm overwhelming for others with so much stuff, but this is because I have very high expectations when I go to somebody's session, or whether it's a therapy, in whatever form of therapy I go to. I have high expectations of what am I going to get out of it? How can I be really clear on what I want and explain myself, so they can perform to their best and give me what they can. And funny enough, I've been working with absolutely amazing people who are very high achievers, apparently, because you attract what you are. And I want to provide the same for you. Whether it's a seminar for the young adults and teenagers that I'm holding space for now almost every weekend, or whether it's a seminar for the separation, or whether it's a seminar for a small company where people would like to find themselves and be authentic. The template is the same, it's just the questions will be different and the exercise that you can use. But I'm trying to make them really simple, because I can see people come to find something easy, something that makes them relax, makes them trust the process, where they don't rush and push and don't have high expectations from themselves, because most people function that way. And I understand it, and that's okay. That's actually amazing. This is something that I always wanted to do. Take step at a time, don't rush, have peace and harmony, enjoy the process. But my character is, let's achieve, let's get more. I can do more, I can handle more, I can transform more, I can understand more, so give me the information. But again, that's me. So most of the people don't function that way, and I have to be respectful towards that. So this is what I'm doing today. I've been for a walk with the dog. It's raining outside now. We are getting into spring. It is spring, but it's a funny weather. I'm enjoying it. And I'm using my Rife machine. I don't know if you know a lot about the Rife machine, but it's on the protocol of Rife, Royal Rife. It's a frequency machine that heals, and it has like 4,500 programs that can clear viruses, bacteria, and it can stimulate your immune system. It can do quite a lot of stuff. But again, it's a frequency machine, and I can carry this in my bag, and then it has a little pillow that I put on my back. It's a cushion. It's really soft. This is where the frequency comes from. It's done magic for me. Last year, I've done probably 5.5 months non-stop detox with that machine. I did a lot of heavy metal detox and other things, clearing my body off. But before you use the machine, you have to go and do bioresonance, where your body is being scanned by another machine. They put something like headphones, and you hold another type of machine that is connected to the computer, and that's how they assess your health. It's a lot of new things coming, and 2025 is already showing how much stuff is coming, which is holistic way of healing, alternative way, and I believe only in those ways. I believe our body can heal on our own. So for me, this machine is just an addition, but it's the magic. So that's my day. For now, I'll continue to work and write and pack the rest of the day, and I wish you an amazing day.